You don't need any drippings for this full-flavored gravy. Roughly chop a pound of clean mushrooms. We're going to brown them to give the gravy amazing flavor. Add cooking oil to a medium-sized pot on high heat. Once the pot is very hot, add in the mushrooms. Don't stir them, just leave them to cook. There will be a lot of liquid that needs to evaporate. Once the liquid has evaporated, lower the temperature to medium-low. Now it's time to brown the mushrooms. Cook for 20 minutes, stirring constantly. While the mushrooms are browning, roughly chop the rest of the vegetables. There's no need to peel them. When the mushrooms are dark brown, you can add the onion, a bunch of thyme, rosemary, and salt. Stir and cook for another 5 minutes. Now add the carrots, celery, and tomato. Cook for 5 minutes. Then add the garlic cloves and cook for another 5 minutes. Now add 3 to 5 tablespoons of flour. The amount you add depends on how thick you want your gravy to be. Distribute it around and mix well. Now add the broth. You can use any kind of broth, but we're using vegetable. Add soy sauce and stir. This gravy will have a wonderful umami flavor that is brought out by cooking the mixture for a long time. Cover the pot and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, check your seasoning and add salt and pepper if needed. If you're enjoying this video, please do go ahead and give us a like and share it around. Now we'll mash the gravy a little bit. Then we strain it. Press everything down to extract as much liquid as you can. This hearty gravy is so full of flavor. This is a vegan gravy, but it's delicious on meat as well as on vegetables. We hope you found our gravy video helpful. If you did, we think you'll like this one too.